everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte and this is the daily where we talk all things skincare, fashion, fitness, and nutrition for the woman over 40. So today I thought I'd share one of my favorite lunch recipes with you. It's a chickpea salad sandwich that I think you're going to really love. Stay tuned. You're going to need for this recipe. There's just a few of them, and one of them is chickpeas. This one has parsley and cumin in it. It's Greek chickpeas, and I buy these from Trader Joe's. They're amazing. They are in soy oil. One small avocado or half a large avocado, half of a lemon, and everything but the bagel seasoning. Some micro arugula, or you can also use micro broccoli. That's really good too. And I use Smart Pockets. These are Smart Pockets. I got these from Sprouts. They're 90-calorie Smart Pockets. I'm not really counting calories. I just happen to like the texture of this bread with this sandwich. And I toast one of those pockets. Okay, so in goes the chickpeas. And I'm just kind of leaving a little bit of the soy oil in there, in the can. Okay, and in goes my smushed avocado. I have half of a large one here. And I'm gonna do a little everything but the bagel seasoning to your liking. I'm gonna do a little squirt of lemon. This will actually help it not oxidize in your refrigerator. So that's helpful. And then you just kind of want to mush it up. You don't have to get it completely mushed. Just mush it up most of the way. You can take a fork too if you want the peas to be really mushed. If you don't want the peas to stay in their form, then go ahead and get a fork. You can just mush them up like that. Really good. You can also add some jalapeños to this. There's so many different things you can add to it, but jalapeños, I happen to really like the spice. But for today, I didn't get them out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And then I went ahead and toasted my pocket, so I'm waiting for that to come out of the toaster. I don't like it to be like hard toasted, but more of a soft toast. And it looks just like this. I mean, isn't this cute? Okay, so it's a little steamy, so we'll wait for just a second here. And you know what I forgot to get? Hang on. And a little sharp cheddar cheese. And I just take I just do that because it's the size of the bread. And you only want one side. I don't think you don't need much more than that. And then you just stuff it in, maybe two little tablespoons here. And then I slide the cheese in. And then I slide my little micro arugula right on top here. And it's good. Real good. Oh. A few of those. I actually like the pecan ones better. These ones are cheesy and they're just a little bit more salt that I enjoy just by flavor. But the pecan ones are amazing, so. Anything that you're eating, just make sure it's in moderation. And mostly eat healthy if you can. Make healthy choices. I love eating healthy just because I like eating healthy. I mean, I just enjoy that type of food. But I know that that's not for everybody, and it really takes some adjustments. And but maybe just sneak some healthy stuff in, and you'll start to get used to it. And then, you know, you'll be eating more healthy than not. And not to deprive yourself completely, just have a cookie, right? But we just won't get full on them, okay? So that's kind of where we're going with that. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I hope you try it and you like it. If you're brand new to my channel, remember to subscribe and hit like and hit that bell notification so that you will never miss an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. God bless you guys. And remember to live, laugh, and love. See ya.